What's up, Glam? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming a first impression on the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. Look at that highlight. Don't know how it turned out. The only way you will know if I liked it or not is if you keep watching. Don't know how excited I was to try this. Let's just go ahead and get started. I finally got a mirror! Yay! And now I don't have to constantly be taking out my palettes, which I'm gonna try. Today's the first time I'm using it, so I'm gonna see how it goes just now. If I do something wrong, it ain't my fault. No. Alright, I'm gonna moisturize a little bit only today, just because after this, I'm just gonna take my makeup off. I just know this is gonna be my favorite palette of all time. Today I'm using a couple of things for the first time. Depends how I do the look. I'm gonna use one of these two lippies, which I will be talking. Alright, the first color that I will be using is Tempera, which I'm gonna use it to set my whole eye. This color right here. There are like so many beautiful colors over here. I'm like dying. So it has a little bit of a sheen. I thought it was like matte, but it has like a little bit of a sheen. I have a mirror right here and I'm still using this mirror. I'm not used to it, so. Okay, now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in for my transition color. I'm gonna use orange soda and I'm also gonna mix it with burnt orange. I'm gonna go in with the color, I'm gonna take Sienna and I'm gonna put it on the outer part of my eye. This is the brush from the palette and these brushes are really good. That's really disappointing. Do you see that? I'm gonna take Mulberry and I'm gonna also put it on the outer part and also in the inner corner. Now I'm gonna go in with a more dense brush. I'm gonna take the Morphe E17. Now I'm gonna take an eyeshadow. I'm not gonna put concealer on, but I'm gonna take the color Sultry and I'm gonna put it on the center of the lid. Wow. Yeah, I don't think I want to put this color. Should we put Sultry or should we put Rose Pink? I think I'm gonna go with Rose Pink, like a nice pop of color, you know? Oh wow, this is beautiful. Yep, I made the right choice. Now I'm gonna take the same brush that I took for Mulberry and I'm gonna go back in with Mulberry, putting on the outer corner and the inner part as well. I just noticed something. Oh my god. Look at my eyeshadow. Do you see that? The pink eyeshadow that I just applied is completely gone. Where the hell did it go? I don't get it. I'm so confused right now. You guys saw me applying it and I blended it and before I know it, it was completely gone. Okay, I'm gonna go one more time. I'm still really confused as to where the freaking eyeshadow went. Applied it. Now we're gonna blend it a little bit. Oh my god, it's like sinking in. I can see it right now. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the rest of my face and then while it's baking, I'm gonna go with like my normal regular routine. Now where is my foundation? That's so weird because I've never seen a hate on this palette. At least from the YouTubers I follow, and I follow a lot of them. Just popular ones. Okay, did my lashes and I put some mascara, and now I am gonna put that same color, that red that I put on the outer part, which is mulberry. I'm gonna go in with it and I'm gonna apply it on the bottom of my eye. Oh, by the way, update on my eye. This time it stayed. I don't know what happened there. Why did it disappear? Maybe it was the blending, me blending it. Maybe I went through the eyeshadow that I applied, the pink one, and maybe that's why it completely left. I don't know. Alright, now I'm gonna go in before my inner corners. I'm gonna put glistening to see. By the way, that gold, I really liked it. Look at that. It's like a nice pop of color. But I'm also gonna put a little bit of Forever Lit from the glow kit that Nicole Guerrero created. I'm gonna take this pretty pink color. This color, this is a brand new one from Maybelline. I've never tried this before. I did swatch it. 55 Driver. Now I'm first gonna line my lips with the Kylie Exposed lip color. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Overalls on the soft glam, I'm gonna try and play around with it more. Not try, I'm obviously gonna try it more and see. But I actually loved it so far, so I'm not gonna discriminate for that, because I mean, I love me some brown tones. And I'm not just saying it because this was sent to me. No, I'm saying it because I love it and I love how it looks. Overalls, so overalls on the lips. The only thing I discriminate is that it's a little sticky and it dries slow, but it does dry, because when I swatched it, it dried actually. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and let me know if you guys want me to try more first impressions, and I would love to do them as well. See you guys on my next video.